Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to tell you quick Haleem masala recipe. So what you need to take, so I'm going to tell all the ingredients. So you have to take 1 tablespoon whole coriander seeds. If you want to make it double, then you have to make double every other ingredients. So 1 tablespoon whole cumin seeds. So 1 tablespoon whole mustard seeds. So you can take any type of mustard seeds, yellow or red. 1 tablespoon whole fennel seeds. 1 tablespoon whole fenugreek seeds. So is another name is methi. 1 tablespoon whole radhuni. So it's like a small coriander seed. Another name ajmut or wild celery seeds. 1 tablespoon whole black pepper. So you can take like 1 tablespoon amount if you're using 1 tablespoon. 6 to 7 white cardamom. And then take you can take 3 to 4 or 2 to 3 black cardamom. And then you can take 2 to 3 or maybe 2 star anise. You can find them as well in any grocery shop. 3 to 4 whole cinnamon sticks. 1 or you can take 2 if you want, but 1 is I think is okay. Small pieces of maize flakes. 2 to 3 bay leaves. You can find any Indian or Bangladeshi grocery shops. So dried chili, red chili, 5 to 6. So you can take it according to your taste. If you like more hot, then you can take more. So what you have to do, fry them in a pan in very like low to medium heat. Just like don't burn them, and you keep stirring them, keep moving on like so that they don't burn. So when the color will change, then you can bring them down and you can make it cool little bit, and then grind them in a like all whole spices in a grinder machines. And so after grind and when it will become like powder, so it is like ready to use. So you can put them in a jar and you can use to Haleem. So in a jar you can use it for a few months, 3 to 4 or maybe 6 months up to.